Imagine cutting your study time in half while doubling your focus and productivity. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. Alright, so here's the deal, our brains are incredible, but they're also lazy. They love shortcuts, routines, and anything that feels easy. What if I told you that you could use this to your advantage? Today, we're going to cover 5 powerful brain hacks that will help you study smarter, not harder. First, break your study time into 25-minute sessions with 5-minute breaks in between. This helps maintain high levels of focus and prevents burnout. This method is all about working in short, focused bursts with regular breaks. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps you maintain high levels of focus and prevents burnout. Plus, your brain loves those little breaks as rewards. Active recall. Passive reading and highlighting won't cut it. Instead, engage with the material by teaching it to someone else, using flashcards, or quizzing yourself. The more active your learning process, the more your brain retains. It's all about making your study sessions interactive and dynamic. Ever heard of the Feynman technique? Named after physicist Richard Feynman, this hack involves explaining complex concepts in simple terms. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Write down what you're trying to learn, then simplify it as if you're teaching a 5-year-old. This technique forces your brain to deeply process and understand the material. Your study environment plays a huge role in your ability to focus. Keep your space clean, organized, and free of distractions. Use good lighting, comfortable seating, and maybe some background music if it helps you concentrate. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. Brain-boosting nutrition and hydration. Lastly, never underestimate the power of good nutrition and hydration. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can enhance brain function. Stay hydrated to keep your brain sharp. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, so fuel up with brain-boosting snacks during your study sessions.